Last class we have discussed about grammar part. Topic name is preposition. So let's recall definition of preposition, then preposition of time. So definition: a preposition is a word. I already told that a preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun. Used before a noun or a pronoun to connect in another word. To connect in another word in this sentence. So a preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun. So எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, எதுக்கு முன்னாடி யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, நவுனுக்கும் ப்ரோனவுனுக்கும் பிஃபோரா யூஸ் பண்றது தான் preposition அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Then to connect in the another word. So நவுனும் ப்ரோனவுனும் என்ன பண்ணும், another word கனெக்ட் பண்ணும். எதுலனா அங்க இருக்க அந்த சென்டென்ஸ்லயே அந்த வேர்டை கனெக்ட் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun to connect into another word. So noun pronoun connect பண்ணும், another word என்ன பண்ணும், கனெக்ட் பண்ணும். அந்த சென்டென்ஸ்ல இருக்க another word என்ன பண்ணும், noun pronoun கனெக்ட் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Then last class we discussed preposition of time. Preposition of time. So I already told that on is used to days and date, then specific holidays. Days and days, then specific holidays. For examples, on Monday, days, date, on 25th December, on 25th December. Then specific holiday, on Christmas, on Diwali. So this is the example for preposition of on. So எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணோம், where is using preposition on Monday. So then on 25th December, on Christmas, then on Diwali, etc. So on is used to days, day, then specific holidays. Then next one, another preposition in. Another preposition in is used to year, month, centuries, season, and time of day and time of day. Example here in 2018, then in 2010. This is example for here. Month in July, in August. This is example for month. Century in 20th century, then in 18th century. Next one, season. Next one, season in winter, in summer. So these are the things we used to do the preposition in. Next one, time of day. Next one, time of day in the evening. In the evening. This is refers to time of day. In the morning. In the morning. In the morning. Then next one, another preposition it. Another preposition at. Hat refers to point of time. Hat refers to point of time. For simply I says that 9:30. At 9:30. At 2 o'clock. So this is point of time. So we are applying at in a particular time at 9:50, at 9:30, at 2 o'clock. So these are discussed last class. So now I discuss preposition of place. Now I discuss preposition of place. This is also preposition of time. This is all preposition of time. Now let's focus on the another one kind, preposition of place. Preposition of place. So of course we discussed preposition of time. So now we discuss preposition of place. So preposition of place. Then only three preposition today we have discussed: in, on, next one, at. So only three preposition discussed today. So this is considered with place. So in is preposition of place. Then on, at. So refers to preposition of place. So last class we discussed time of preposition. So these are three things same for time and place. So now we discuss in, preposition of place. So in is used to buildings, street, country and town. So in is used to building, street, country, town in the front of place. So applying in the kitchen. In the kitchen, sorry, in the kitchen, Kitchen, in the kitchen, refers to building. Street, in Gandhinagar. Country, in India. Then in France. Town, in Krishnagiri. Then etc. So in is refers to place, building, street, country, town. So these are using the preposition in. So building, street, country, town, then room. So room also. Room, in the bedroom. So these are so used to preposition in. So in the kitchen, in the Gandhinagar, in the India, in France, in Krishnagiri, then room, in the bedroom. So these are using the preposition in. So next one, vehicle, taxi, car. So then van, lorry. So these are vehicle using in preposition. Use the preposition in. Use the preposition in the taxi, in the car, in the van, in the lorry. So in the taxi, in the car, then in a taxi, in a car, then in a lorry. So இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? டாக்ஸி, கார், லாரி, வேன் இந்த மாதிரி வெஹிக்கிள்களை என்ன பண்ணணும்? in யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So this is the rule. Then next one. So clearly understand? In is used to buildings, street, country, town, room. Then vehicle also taxi, car, van, lorry. So these are the things used to before in. So before you used to in. So in use பண்ணனும் இப்போ தெரியுது. So next one on. Next one on. Another one place preposition on. Another one place preposition on. On is used to for a certain side. Here already know about that side. Left side, right side. So these are used on the left, on the right. Clearly? On is used to for a certain side. For example, on the left, on the right. Clearly understand? Then next one. For a floor, in a house. On is used to for floor in a house. For floor in a house. Example, on the first floor, on the second floor, then etc. Third floor, fourth floor, then etc. So on is used for floor in the house, floor in a house. So example, on the first floor, on the second floor, on the third floor, then on the fourth floor. Then next one, for a public transport, for a public transport. For a public transport, what are there? Bus, train, ship. Then next one, plane. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? நம்ம on யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So on the bus, on a train, on a ship, on a plane. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? நம்ம hand யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? on யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So இன்னும் எதுக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் ஆகும்னா கார், டாக்ஸி, வேன், then motorcycle. So these are things only used in the taxi, in the car, then in the van. So horn is used to on the bus, on a train, on a ship, then on a plane. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும், horn யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Then next one, hut. Another one, preposition of place, hut. So hut is used to place where you are to do something typical. Something typical. Example, watch a film, then study, work. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும், had யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So had this cinema, at the cinema, then at school, at work. So இந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது இந்த மாதிரி இடத்துக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், at யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So at the cinema, at school, at work. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும், at யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So clearly understand? Then let's see some examples. Then some examples. Example. First one. She was born dash 21st September. Second one, she is good dash playing chess. Third one, we are getting married friends. Then next one, I lived at the top floor. So this is example for preposition. She was born dash 25th September. What preposition is used? What preposition is used? On. She was born on 21st September. I already told that days, date வரும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும், on யூஸ் பண்ணணும் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். She is good dash playing chess. She is good dash playing chess. So what preposition is applied? She is good at playing chess. Then next one, we are getting married dash France. Dash France. Which preposition is applied? We are getting married France. France வந்து என்ன பண்ண சொல்லிருக்கேன்? In. France வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும்? In is a country. So refers to country. We are getting married. So we are used to preposition in. So we are getting married in France. The next one, I live the top floor. I already told the floor refers to the house. அப்படினும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும்? Use the preposition on. Use the preposition on. Fifth one, the reception is dash PM. So the reception is dash 5 PM. So which preposition apply this line? Which preposition apply this sentence? At. Preposition at. So I already told that time வரும்பொழுது என்ன பண்ணணும்? At use பண்ணணும். So the preposition is at. The reception is at 5 PM. 5 PM. So we are clearly learned about preposition of time and preposition of place. So remind, we will discuss next class. Thank you.